Hi, I'm Liz Pichon, author, illustrator and creator of the Mubbles. Welcome to the Isle of Smile. I'm going to show you how to make these fantastic, easy, simple badges. I also write Tom Gates, so I thought it'd be fun to make a Tom Gates badge today. So for these you will need some card, paper to draw on, safety pins, scissors, pencil, black pen and something to colour with. Also some masking tape and some glue. You don't need a wibble, but hey, it just looks cute. So I'm just going to use this card. It's just from a cardboard box and it's quite good because it's extra thick, but it's very light, which is perfect for the badges. So if you've got an old box, just cut a piece off and you can use that. Okay, got all that? Let's get making badges. Yay! Take your card and you can draw a circle. If you've got like a bit of tape like that, you can use that. I've got an old badge here and I'm just going to use this old badge just to draw a circle around. Maybe we'll just do a couple there. These really are super quick and easy to make. Once you've drawn the circle, be very careful with scissors. Take your time, never cut really quickly because that's when you make mistakes. Just draw a circle around. And you can use your pencil. Just draw, I'm going to show you how to draw a little Tom Gates. So I'm going to do it in pencil first. Now what I'm going to do is colour in extra around the edge, and that's the part of the paper that will go round the badge. Okay, that's done, made my badge. Now you've just got to cut this paper out. So I'm just doing that again. Careful with scissors. Now, I'm going to take our little disc, cardboard disc, take some glue and put lots of glue on. Don't skimp on the glue. Like that. Back on. Now this is a little tip for you, okay? So when you put your badge, you're going to try and get the picture in the centre. It's quite difficult to see exactly where it goes, so you have to, if you want to, I'm going to hold it up to the light. If you hold your badge up to the light, then I can see that that's really pretty nicely in the centre of the, oh, how that works. Yeah, done that. So that's a little tip for you there. Because otherwise you think, how do you know it's in the centre? Well, you can kind of see, but it might not be exactly, but that is a tip. Right. I'm going to take my scissors now and just snip. And the reason I did the glue before is because sometimes it's actually quite difficult to get the glue on when the paper is already cut. It kind of moves around a bit. Right, so we're going to take, you can you see we're just folding that over where the glue, and that just means it folds in nice and neatly, like that. That's not too bad. Oh, I've missed a little bit of the edge there. You see, I was just trying to get it in the middle. There we go. Just adjusted that. So I'm going to get some masking tape. This one's a nice purple colour, but you can use plain masking tape or just sellotape or something, some sticky tape of some kind. Let's cut a couple of pieces off. We're going to use that as well to stick the safety pin on, so I'm going to cut a few extra pieces. Put that to one side there. And let's just stick that over just so it neatens up and really holds the paper down. And then I'm just going to trim it up like that. You don't want that, you don't want to see your masking tape. If this is a bit fiddly, you can always get an adult to help you. Basically, you just need to stick it down on the back, and let's just trim that up as well. There we go. Press that one down. So you take your safety pin, put it on the back, open it up, be very careful, very sharp. Get an adult to help you with this bit. And what you need to do is to try and make sure that your safety pin is you don't want it being stuck on wonky. So try as much as you can to make sure that that's straight on. I'm going to take a bit of tape. You just need to secure your safety pin on the back. And there you have it. There you go. That is your Tom Gates badge. Add that to my collection. There we go. Looks great. So that's a very simple, very easy badge that you can make, and you can do other sizes as well. You don't have to do circles, but it's great. Add to my collection. Bye. If you do make badges, don't forget to send us pictures of what you've made, and we love to see your drawings, your pictures and your badges. So send them to yourart on themubbles.com. Okay?